When your mother was taken from me, I lost everything.
It's just, it's been so hard since she's been gone. I miss her every day.
What if I told you that you can now create up to 4 highly consistent characters in one single scene without touching complex 3D software? Sounds insane, right? But AI just made it possible. A few months ago, I struggled to keep just 2 characters consistent across different shots. Every time I changed the pose or angle, one character would look completely different. And if you're creating storytelling videos for YouTube, you know how frustrating it is when your characters don't match from scene to scene. Consistency is everything if you want your audience to connect. Well, you can now create up to 4 highly consistent characters in one single scene with perfect continuity. Look at this example. 4 characters, same style, all interacting naturally in one frame. And the best part, you can do this without spending hours of manual work. I will show you how you can create conversational scenes with up to 4 consistent characters, perfect for YouTube storytelling, faceless videos, and even short films. No animation skills, no expensive studio setup, just your imagination and the right AI tools. So the first step, we need to design our characters, but let's start with a story in mind. Before you design anything, you need to understand the type of stories you'll be creating. This is very important because your characters are the heart of your story. I know you want us to jump straight into how to do it, but if your characters don't fit the narrative, your scenes will feel disconnected. Think about this popular Disney movie Encanto. Each member of the Madrigal family has a unique magical gift, personality, and role in the story, yet all complement each other perfectly. You can't imagine Mirabel without Isabella, Luisa, or Abuela. They all drive the story forward. So first, define your story world. Is it moral tales, drama, family-centered? Then design characters that belong in that world, just like the Madrigal, where each character feels distinct but connected. I have this amazing animated story that a friend of mine just wrote. It has scenes where 4 different characters appear together in one frame, engaging in a dialogue. To achieve this with all the different characters in the same scene, possibly doing different activities, we need an AI tool that allows full control over each character, including their position and actions. Most of the AI tools struggle with this, often generating generic characters that you don't even need. But first, let's create individual character and then let the AI tool combine them according to the story scene. And if you create folktale stories or animated stories, this tool will save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. So what I simply did was I copied the entire story and came to ChatGPT and gave ChatGPT the entire story. From there, I told it to analyze the story and give me prompts that I will use to generate the characters in the story using OpenArt AI. Once ChatGPT is done analyzing the main characters and the visual traits, it's time to create characters themselves. All we have to do is copy the name of our character, come to OpenArt AI and select character and select create character. From here, come to your right hand side and select start with description. From there, paste in a name of your character. Once that is done, go back to ChatGPT and copy the description of your character. Come back to OpenArt AI and paste the description of your character in this box. From there, all you have to do is select a style of your character. We go for 3D and click Create Preview. From the previewed characters, select one that pleases you. I'll go with this first one and click Create Character. In less than 3 minutes, our character will be ready. As it is generating our character, we close this tab and we click Start with Description again. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the name of our second character, come back to OpenArt AI, paste the name of our character in the Name tab, go back to ChatGPT, copy the description of our second character, come back to OpenArt AI and paste the description in the description box. From there, select the style of your character. You can even type in a specific style that you would want if the ones that are provided, there is none that pleases you or that you would want to create your characters in. So I'll select 3D and click Create Preview. From the previewed characters, again, select one and hit Create Character. Repeat the same process with the 2 remaining characters. Once all our characters are generated, we will find them down here. The advantage of using OpenArt AI is you can can create your character once and have it do different activities and be found in different scenes whilst maintaining the consistency. According to our story, our 4 characters are in a single scene. To proceed creating our image with all of our 4 characters in one scene, what we simply have to do is hover your mouse on one character and you'll see the create button appear. Just select it. From there, here select prompt and reference and you'll see your character's name written down here. From there, all we have to do is select this add character option here. This is a new feature that OpenArt AI has just added to the platform where you can generate up to 4 different characters in one single scene. From there, choose the second character. We'll start with Victor. From there, click on add character again and click on the third character. From there, click on add character again. As you can see, it is still in beta and select the 4th character. From there, what you simply have to do is paste in a prompt that describes what all your 4 characters are doing at that particular time. I told ChatGPT to help me come up with simple OpenArt prompts for each scene that describes the character position and maintain consistency in a pixel style 3D animation. So what I simply have to do is copy the first prompt that I have and come back to OpenArt and test it here. This is all dependent with the type of story that you have and what you are creating. As you can see, I was trying out different examples with a number of characters. So what I'll simply do is I'll paste in my prompt, then scroll down a little bit and choose the aspect ratio to be 16:9. You can turn off the auto enhancer so that it can follow the exact prompt without refining or adjusting anything in our prompt. From there, all we have to do is click create. Okay. This is just so perfect and very fantastic. There are 4 characters in pixel style 3D animation and just look at the quality of the images of our character, except the clothes have changed from the one we had generated them in, but just look at the details and the quality of our character. Okay, let's copy the second prompt for the second scene. Come back to OpenArt, close this tab, paste the prompt there and hit create. Okay, there is our character, exactly what the prompt says. We've got the female lady coming into the house where the man is seated and the father and the mother are standing next to the man. This is just so amazing. Sometimes the AI may generate 3 characters, like in this scene, exactly what we wanted from the younger lady, but 1 character is missing. Meanwhile, 4 characters have been selected. Sometimes it may swap the hairstyle or swap the clothing of your characters. But with a couple of generation and consistency, you definitely get what you are looking for. Let's try a final prompt where we specify what each character is doing and see the results that it will give us. So say Lena is seated, comma, and Victor is seated as well while reading a newspaper, comma. We'll say Grace is cooking and Ethan is standing. From there, I'll paste in a prompt that describes the background or the living room setup. And this time around, I'll turn on the prompt enhancer and click create. We've got Lena seated, the father is seated, the mother is standing while we had said we want our mother to be cooking. And it has not generated 1 character who is Ethan, but it has generated the father twice in this scene, which we wouldn't want. Here, I'm not fully happy with the results that it has generated for me. All we have to do is go back to the prompt box and tweak the prompt a little bit and see the results it will generate for you. Let's try something different. Let's say Lena and Victor are seated while reading the newspaper, and we'll say Grace and Ethan are standing, and click create. Okay, there we have it. We've got the father and the daughter, Lena and Victor, reading the newspaper, whilst Grace and Ethan are standing, exactly what we had described in our prompt box. And that's how easy you can create up to 4 different characters in one scene. If you want to learn how to animate these characters and create a full animated scene, let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate if we get more than enough comments. We'll create a full tutorial guide that shows you exactly how you can animate all these characters in one scene and create videos for your YouTube channel, for your story TV, and tell those stories. From here, God bless you. Let me see you in this amazing animated video. Thank you so much.